Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. So Molly and we went to groceries today, and on our way back we felt like some Baigan, Choka and Roti. So that's exactly what we're going to be making today. Only today we're going to be using a mixer for the dough, unlike the kneading by hand. So that's the only difference here today. So we're going to be enjoying some nice traditional Guyanese food here today, Baigan, Choka and Roti. So guys, you see we have two balange, two nice shine balange. One for me, one for Molly. So the first thing here, we're gonna prepare our balange to roast. And for that, you're gonna, of course, put your garlic in the baigan. So we're gonna peel the garlic first. So when last you had some of this is really a breakfast food, but you can also have this for dinner in the evening. We're gonna have this with some tea. And so as you know guys, on our channel we have all the Guyanese recipes. You go there, search, you can search for what you want. Not necessarily have to go through all the recipes, but if you're looking for something in particular, you can search, for example, Baigan, Choka, dal, whatever, and it's just gonna come up there and you will get to make whatever you wish. Step-by-step recipes, guys. So for this we're gonna make some slits there, as you see, and insert the garlic flags, or a half a garlic flag. So the main thing is that you get some in there, and that's gonna flavor the baigan as it roasts. And that garlicky flavor is gonna infuse in there. And we're gonna be roasting this on the stove, so in order to do so, we're gonna wrap this in foil. Just like that. So there we have all two wrapped, and we also have our tomato, onion, and scallion there, which we're going to be using in this Baigan Choka. So we're going to go place this on the stove now. So there they are. Stove is on. Now we're going to wait for this to be roasted. Of course, you're going to have to rotate them during the roasting time so that they can roast on all sides. So getting our onion ready here now, and our tomato and the shallot, as we say in Guyana, scallion. So I've been having requests to also to do some vegetarian recipes. So this here is one dishes. Here's one, and yes, guys. So all the ingredients and so on for these two recipes here, the choka and the roti, we have on our channel already, and we're going to be linking those below this video in the description box. So every video that we make, there's always a link there. There are always the ingredients there, or if there is a separate video, we link that video so that you have all the information you need to make these dishes. And usually you'll have to click more under the video, because some people have messaged me and said they can't see the rest of the ingredients there. But by default, YouTube doesn't show everything under the video. You have to click show more or more, and that's how you see what's under there, including the ingredients to the recipe. There we go. All what's left to chop up now is the onion, a little piece more of the tomato, tomato, So do you like your Baigan Choka with a lot of onions, chunky onions, or you don't like onions? Or let us know in the comments below. For those of you who like pepper, we're going to be adding some pepper here too. I myself like my food a little bit spicy. So we're going to add one of the usual bad boy here. Very. So there you go. Alright, so that's it. So here are Baigan crackling away there here. Alright guys, so we have our flour in there in the mixer and the baking powder is in there. So we have our water here to add. So all the ingredients that to make this roti here in the regular way, kneading in the regular way, the same ingredients you're going to be using for the mixer as well. So it's nothing different. So if you made it by hand before, kneading by hand, and you want to use a mixer now, it's the same ingredients. So just look at the old video that we have and use that same amount of ingredients to mix in your mixer. So here our dough is done, ready. So making up the loaves now. So if you are new to roti, this is called loaves, the little pieces, the little balls. So we're gonna get 7 roti. Nice fluffy roti. So our Baigan is roasting away here. We turned it a few times already. Alright, so that's how you do the loaves, ready to be rolled out. So we're gonna let it rest for a bit. Gonna put them in this plate over here to rest. So we're gonna do the rest of the loaves. And in the meantime, you gotta check out this Baigan here, eggplant, melange. Alright guys, so we have all our loaves oiled and ready there, and that's gonna sit until we are ready for it. So our Baigan is done here now as well. So we're gonna get this prepared. So here is our Baigan. Look at that, well roasted, soft. Wow, you can get that aroma there, guys. That nice roasted Baigan smell. Makes you hungry right away. You can see one of the garlic there. There you go. So there. As you can see, we are using a fork. I use a fork, a spoon. So now we're gonna add some salt to our baigan here. So salt to taste, guys. And we're gonna add our seasonings that we chopped earlier. Scallions, pepper, tomato, onion. So the pepper is optional, of course, or you can use a little, you can use a lot, depending on your tolerance for pepper, of course. Mix that in. Looking good, right? And all this missing right now is some roti, which is gonna meet up with very shortly. Good, so there's, after mixing this now, there's only one step left to finish off this Baigan Choka, and we're gonna go do that right now. Alright, so we're gonna add our oil here. We're gonna add some hot oil to that Baigan Choka. So pan was hot already, so this oil is hot. We're gonna just add our oil here now. And there you go. Mix that in now. And there you go, our Baigan Choka is done, ready. So we're gonna go work on the roti now. So our roti doughs have rested for a bit, so we're ready to cook the roti now, guys. So we're gonna roll out the other one while this one is cooking. So that one's done. So this one we're gonna clap now. There you go. So that's clapping the roti, guys. There. Number 2 is done. So we're gonna finish this off, guys. Okay, my friends. So here we are. We are done. It is our Baigan Choka and our oil roti. Vegetarian is one of your vegetarian dish here, guys. Can go for breakfast, can go for dinner, whatever you like. Yummy, yummy, delicious. We're gonna take out some of this Baigan Choka and roti here. There you go. And the roti. So that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a like. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Share the video, comment. And as always, thanks for watching.